The sweetgrass basket is one of the oldest West African art forms living here in America.
Sweetgrass basket making come from my mom, from my grandmom. It was passed down from generation to generation.
Many of the weavers in South Carolina, when you speak to them, they say to you, they feel like they're ornaments of the Old South. Hence the Heritage is a Bloomberg Philanthropies initiative with the primary goal of bringing basket weavers to greater economic opportunities.
For us to understand sweetgrass basket weaving, you can't look beyond Charleston's role in the institution of slavery and racism.
We're the survivors of enslavement.
So it became very important for us to bring the weavers together, to tell the stories.
My God, this is what he wants us to do, come together. We as a people.
Once one weaver catches the spirit of that weave from that water, oh my God, the stories they'll tell. This initiative needed to be one that restored our humanity, restored our culture, and directly connected us to our royalty. The reconciliation is in the weave. The healing is in the weave.